Hi, myself Madhvi Mali. I have joined Paradigm in April 2015. The institute is very nice, let it be in any way, like the staff, the faculty, the teaching environment, the test series, the papers, the notes, everything. My personal advice to everyone, like don't judge the classes just because you have seen some reviews or comments anywhere else. Please come visit it, experience the very first lecture. You'll get to know a hint about it, and I know that you people will join after attending the session.
Hi, my name is Vatsal Joshi and I have joined IIS Paradigm November 2014, and we have a good infrastructure over here, and we have good quality of notes and as well as good quality of teaching. Thanks to Amrit sir, that he is very chilled out and is not that much strict, so that's a big positive thing for us. So,
Hi, my name is Shashank Sharma. I am a Paradigm IIS student from last 1 year. As far as the teaching in this institute is concerned, Amrish sir is a very knowledgeable person. The best part about his teaching methodology is he is very adaptive to the changing environment, as we are observing in the prelims as well as mains examination of IIS from the last 2-3 years. And one thing I also want to share that Paradigm IIS Academy is a very good institute for working professionals, because for working professionals actually you get only a 1 day, that's a Sunday for your preparation, and all the other days you are working. So just to cover the whole of the syllabus in that period of time, this particular time, it's very important for working professionals. So I'm very thankful to Amrish sir for the guidance which he is giving and keeps on motivating me like this.
Hi, I'm Prerna. I have joined Paradigm Academy in October 2014. My view about this academy is that it is very exam oriented, focused, and the group of students that we get over here is very nice, which gives a very competitive environment. And sir here, Amrish sir, he is very helpful. He helps in a lot of ways wherever you have problem or anything like that. And his way of teaching is very modern, you can say, as in he will teach you the current affairs that is going on around the world with a deep analysis of it, showing us videos, solving question papers of last exams. So these all gives a very good motivating feeling that yes, you can achieve it.
My name is Kapil Jain. I have joined Paradigm from October 2014, and my review about the class is it's very nice. It has been an enriching experience because IIS itself is so encouraging, and sir being so good, Amrish Kumar sir, he being so good, it's all the more a great experience that sir is helping each and every student to understand how to go through the syllabus, how to understand what to write in the paper, how to go about reading your daily, how to go about reading daily, and to make sure that you complete your portion in time. So he's been a great asset for every student in this Paradigm IIS Academy.
Hi, myself Nikita. I joined this Paradigm IIS Academy in March 2013, and I feel this is the best academy to join, as many students feel as to which class to join, which academy to join, or which would be the better class to join. I feel this class is the best class to join. That is because sir, Amrish sir, who provides a very nice, concise notes, exam based, and once you just read the topic, you will be able to cover up all the things very easily. And it is basically a session where in a short time you will be able to complete vast topics. And this is the also best academy, as every week he conducts tests by which we can undergo our revision process of all the topics. And you have to do actually smart work, not hard work. Secondly, students should not go by the reviews of the blogs which are given, as they usually don't, I usually don't know that why they put out such comments on the blogs. That is because once you come and attend the demo lecture, then only you will be able to know what is sir, how he teaches, what efforts he does on the notes, and how he teaches, like what kind of motivation he gives us. I myself Nikita, मैंने पैराडिम IIS Academy 2013 मार्च में ज्वाइन किया था, and I feel this is the best academy to join because people usually should not go by the reviews or the blogs that are given in the internet, and उनको आके एक्चुअली एक बार एक डेमो सेशन अटेंड करके देखना चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली सर क्या है, सर क्या पढ़ाते हैं, कितना मेहनत करते हैं एक अपना नोट्स बनाने के लिए, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स यूजुअली लाइब्रेरी में दौड़ते हैं नोट्स बनाने के चक्कर में, उनको पता नहीं चलता है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है और एग्ज़ाम में क्या आता है। सर एक्चुअली डेमो लेक्चर में एक ही लेक्चर में आपको पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्टली एग्ज़ाम में स्मार्ट वर्क कैसे करना है, शॉर्ट टाइम में ज़्यादा पढ़ाई कैसे करनी है, सब टॉपिक्स कैसे कंप्लीट करना है। सर एनालिसिस पढ़ाते हैं, सर एक प्री कम मेंस पोर्शन सिखाता है ताकि हम लोग प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी, मेंस और इंटरव्यू तीनों को कंबाइन करके एक साथ हम लोग कैसे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। प्लस सर नोट्स इतने अच्छे, इतनी मेहनत करके दिन रात बनाते हैं, उसमें एक नोट्स में आपका पूरा एक टॉपिक ख़त्म हो जाएगा। जो क्वेश्चंस यूजुअली क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं एंड प्लस जो क्वेश्चंस प्रिडिक्टेड है नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम में वो भी उनके नोट्स में प्रोवाइडेड है। प्लस सर इंटरव्यू के बारे में बहुत अच्छा ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, एग्जैक्टली क्या अनयूजुअली सर जो क्वेश्चंस बोलते हैं वही इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। मेंस में भी सर प्री कम मेंस पढ़ाते हैं, जो कोई क्वेश्चंस प्रिडिक्टेड होते हैं वो भी कंप्लीट हो जाता है सेशन में। एंड स्टूडेंट्स को यूजुअली रिव्यूज़ और ब्लॉग्स इंटरनेट देख के भाग नहीं जाना चाहिए, एग्जैक्टली सेशन अटेंड करके देखना चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली कैसा सर पढ़ाते हैं एंड वो हमारे लिए IAS स्टूडेंट डिज़ायरेबल जो है जिसको बनना है IAS, उस स्टूडेंट को एक्चुअली ये क्लास में ज्वाइन करना एफर्टफुल है या नहीं है। एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो यूजुअली शुड गो बाय द ब्लॉग्स बिकॉज वो तो एक ओपन साइट है, लोग कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं। जिनको जो डिज़ायरेबल नहीं है IAS बनने के वो क्लास अटेंड करके बाहर जाके सब बैड रिव्यूज़ डालते हैं। सो आई फील a student who is really desirable, who wants to become an IAS, this is the best academy to join because of sir's notes. Second is sir conducts test, plus sir prelims में not only prelims, mains, interview तीनों को combine करके पढ़ाते हैं and एक ही सेशन में आपको पता चलेगा कि exactly sir क्या and how he does his efforts to put on the student for becoming actually an IAS. So I would recommend this is the best academy to join. And
Hi, this is Alka. I joined Paradigm IAS Academy in October 2013. I joined quite early because I was quite conscious that I need to crack it in my first attempt, and it has always been my dream. So to select a proper coaching class which would make my dream come true was a difficult task, but then I trusted Paradigm and I had joined it. This class has been quite motivating. Amrish sir has always encouraged all the students about the exam, and his lectures are quite exam oriented. You get to know all the core areas which we need to focus for the IAS examination. As the syllabus is quite vast and mainly not like IAS is not about studying hard, it is about smart study. So Amrish sir has been quite a helpful person for this task in my life, and I'm really thankful to him.